Hi everybody, and welcome to the Research Collective YouTube channel. My name is Russ Brannigan, and today we're going to be covering some frequently asked questions about working with Research Collective. Recently, my colleague Anders Orn wrote a blog post on this, but I thought, well, it might be nice to cover in a video as well, so here it is in all its glory. So we often get questions about what it's like to work with us. So here are some of the answers. Here are some of the questions and answers that we often cover. Okay, so question one is, do you manage recruiting, or do I need to provide you with study participants? And the answer is, we definitely manage recruiting. We have a very sizable database of patients and healthcare providers and caregivers and so forth. And that database is nationwide, although it's particularly strong here in Arizona, not surprisingly. But we handle all of those things, and we have a really great record of people showing up on time and being ready and kind of selecting exactly the right participants. On the other hand, if you have your own participants, we are happy to use those as well. The important thing is that we help manage those participants and the recruiting so that everybody knows exactly where to show up, when to show up, they're compensated correctly, and so forth. We handle the management of all of those kinds of things. Question two is, do you have a usability testing lab? And the answer is yes. Not only do we have a usability testing lab, but we have two usability testing labs that are state-of-the-art here in Tempe, Arizona. Each lab is equipped with audio systems, high-definition pan-tilt zoom video feeds, and two-way mirror observation mirrors or windows. And we can live stream our sessions, or we can post up the sessions afterwards to a password protected website that you can download videos from later on. And of course, if you have studies to do in other locations, then we have partners that we work with quite a bit in those locations as well. Our next question is, can we come and observe the testing? And the answer is, by all means, come and observe the testing. We can comfortably accommodate up to 6 people in each of our observation rooms, and we would love to have you. The next question is, what if I can't be there for the study? How can my team still see the sessions and the results? Well, that answer is pretty easy. We can live stream our studies. We also record our sessions to provide final recordings to our clients. If you can't or prefer not to observe sessions for your study, you'll be able to review the results in a report format. Depending on your needs, we provide a study format and review and distribution within your organization. Our final deliverables are usually in the form of a written report or visual presentation, but we can also create videos that highlight the important findings of your particular study. The next question is, have you had much experience with the FDA? And the answer is so much experience with the FDA. We have tons of experience working with the FDA. Much of our work is geared towards navigating through FDA submissions for medical devices, which includes correspondence and meetings with FDA reviewers. So we're quite seasoned at that. Next, what about international standards like IEC 62366? Absolutely. International standard IEC 62366 is compatible with FDA's human factors guidelines here in the United States. We tailor studies and reports for regulatory bodies of any target market. Well, here's a good one. How can we make the validation study process more cost-effective? That seems pretty important. There are multiple ways to make validation testing more cost-effective. However, accompanying many solutions are certain risks that must be weighed. So we want to make sure that because each situation is unique, we get a chance to talk with you and discuss the options with you personally. Our next frequently asked question is, where are you located? Our offices and labs are in Tempe, Arizona, but we conduct studies all over the United States and in multiple countries. And our final frequently asked question, do you offer human factors or user experience workshops or training? And we absolutely do. We really love our work here at Research Collective. We love being in the fields of user experience and human factors and applying that to medical products. We love to convey that and to share that with other people who are getting involved in this kind of work as well. So depending on your needs, we can offer short 1-hour workshops We can offer week-long training sessions and anything in between. So please feel free to contact us if you'd like to discuss that. Two of our more popular ones are Demystifying FDA Human Factors. Another one that's pretty popular is a crash course on cognitive human factors, but we've got a number of courses and workshops that you might find useful, and we'd love to share them with you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to talking to you again in a future video at Research Collective YouTube.